In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do an anterior medial foot reach. So to do an anterior medial foot reach, all you need to do is start off in a position that your feet are hip width apart. From here, I've got my feet like train tracks. They're pointing straight forwards. And in this example, I'm going to be using my left leg as my standing leg, the one that stays in contact with the floor at all times. And my right leg is going to be doing the medial anterior foot reaches. So with this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this knee. I'm going to keep this one completely straight, and I'm going to come out into a diagonal position with the leg that I'm working. So I'm coming into diagonal position, and you'll notice that my left knee is bending at the same time. If I was going to do my left leg as the reach leg and my right leg as the standing leg, it would be exactly the same, but the other way around. And that is how to do an anterior medial foot reach.